how are you doing? Welcome to this video. I want to talk to you about gifting your child, or maybe even another adult. Imagine a person who always wanted a dog but can't have one, probably due to allergies or due to not being able to have the time to take care of it, or I don't know, probably you're just always traveling. Either way, just like imagine coming home after a long day and being greeted by a little fluff ball that wags its tail, tilts its head, and seems genuinely happy to see you without ever needing food, walks, or vet visits. That's the magic that the Wuffy robot puppy promises. From the first moment you power it on, Wolfy, it just jumps to life, It has little barks, excited tail wags, a curious tilt of its head, and it acts more like a real puppy than a toy. So I want to give you all the details about Wuffy. Below this video, I left their official webpage, okay? So if you want to purchase a Wuffy, you can go directly there and also learn more about it. But guys, according to its creators, Wuffy uses AI-powered adaptive behavior motion sensors that are like touch sensitive surfaces. So it responds to your voice, gentle pets, or presence, almost as if it recognizes you, or like better yet, it knows you are there, Woofy also helps create calm and screen-free moments for your family, and it basically inspires kids to use their imagination and tell stories without devices, which is something that is like really healthy nowadays, right? It's like you're giving your child a responsibility that is not that big of a responsibility, but they already are taking care of something. They already have that tiny little responsibility they know they got to do each and every day. So Woofy is built around fun and emotional warmth. You give it a pet on the head and it might wag its tail. You call it to sit and it might obey with a soft bark. You walk past it and it could follow you, all with expressive lead eyes and little doggy sounds, because it's designed to be soft. It's designed to be cuddly, non-allergic, and mess-free. And Woofy could be a perfect companion for the elderly as well, for adults who always wanted a dog, and of course the kids, right? Anyone basically who's always dreamed of having a pet but can't commit to the responsibilities. But beyond all of that, Woofy aims to bring companionship and comfort. Like, the promise is a gentle, loyal friend that offers interactive play, emotional reassurance, and joyous moments, whether you're reading a book, playing games, or simply relaxing on the couch. Imagine the sparkle in a child's eyes when they believe their puppy learns their favorite games, or the warmth you might feel when Woofy nudges your feet, eager for attention, even on a quiet evening. So Woofy brings a lot of great things to life. For a person who never had a pet before and wants to know how that feels. All right, I think this is a great deal for you. So pop over to that link to get to know more about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.